Welcome to the third episode of Gardening Tips with Yuri for Gardena. In this episode, we're going to be setting up the brand new Gardena auto-retractable hose reel on a metal spike. I love Gardena hose reels so much that I now have two of them. The Gardena reel on a spike works perfectly for me because not only do I have one reel for the front of my house and one for the back, but because the reel is mounted on a spike, I don't even need a wall to mount it to. Bringing the hose all the way from the front around two different corners started to get a little bit annoying. So having my hose wound up close to where I need it is super convenient. Just like my other Gardena reel, the Italian-made hose locks wherever I want it to, thanks to the short locking points. When I'm done watering, it slowly and safely retracts back into the reel, neatly and systematically thanks to the built-in hose guide. The built-in stainless steel spring ensures strong yet safe retraction every time, and the outer materials are frost-proof and UV stabilized. Here's where you'll notice the European build quality and of course, the 5-year warranty for stress-free watering. Unlike the hose reel on my wall, since this one is mounted on a spike, I get a full 360 degrees of rotation, making it even more convenient. The reel comes with everything you need right out of the box. The reel itself, metal spike, fully adjustable nozzle, leader hose, all the required quick connect adapters and hardware to assemble it. The Gardena YouTube page has a great setup video, or you can just watch this video. I'll attach the two sides of the cone to the hose reel with the 3 screws. I'll then use this bar to screw the spike into the ground, finishing off by placing the spike right in the middle of it. I'll then add the sleeve on top and screw it in. And lastly, lower the hose reel in place, and it's nice and stable and ready to use. It's amazing how easy the setup is for this retractable hose reel, and it's a wonderful product if you don't have the means to drill a hose into your wall. So with this auto-retractable hose now set up, gardening in the backyard has become much more convenient, and gardening can be much more convenient for you too when you use Gardena products to realize your gardening dreams.